nga ba ikaw ba? Ako ba? Hinanong mo bahala-hala.
Yeah, huwag ka nang maniwala sa paniniwala na dapat makipagunan sa karera. Kung wala namang karera, dahan-dahan lang. Kaya inasal lang.
Sabi na kailangan mauna, hindi naman ito karera. Magdahan-dahan sa bawat panibagong umaga. Ang pagsimula muli ay isang tagumpayan. Huwag mag-alala, buhay ay di karera. Dahan-dahan lang, buhay ay di karera. Masyadong magkakaroon ng bilis sa pagtapunan. Inuwalalim na tamaan, ikinihawak ng iyong akbang. Masyadong mabagal, walang mabilis sa pagtapunan mo. Hindi kami bintis, inuwalalim na tamaan, ikinihawak ng iyong akbang. Masyadong mabagal, walang mabilis sa pagtapunan mo. Hindi kami bintis, inuwalalim na tamaan, ikinihawak ng iyong akbang. Dahan-dahan lang, buhay ay di karera.
What's up, G-Fest? Grabe, nakakamiss yung ganito. Nakakamiss mag-perform. We miss you, Blooms! Thank you so much. So warm welcome. Grabe, na-miss nyo ba kami? Thank you so much, Glow, for making this happen. Grabe, ang dami nyo. Hi sa mga nasa likod. Hello po. Okay, bagong lahat, babati muna kaming girls. Game.
2, 3, mabuhay! What's up? It's Joanna!
Hey everyone, it's Aya.
What's up? I'm Stacy.
Hi everyone, I'm Gwen. Hi guys, I'm Sheena.
Hey guys, it's Mika.
Hi, I'm Maloy.
Hi guys, I'm Colette.
And we are
Beanie. Happy G-Day, everyone, and thank you so much to Globe for having us to be a part of and their family. And we hope that you guys enjoy. And always remember to stay safe. Make sure that you're not hurting anyone in the process. And mag-ingat lang po kayo. Thank you for having us and mag-enjoy po kayo.
Ang sweet. Sobrang sweet naman ang boss ni Mika today.
Pag nagtatagalog kasi, minsan nagiging sweet eh.
Alam niyo, to be honest, hindi namin in-expect na ganito kalaki yung crowd. Kasi kanina nung soundcheck, di ba, parang nandito pa lang. Tapos, grabe, paglabas namin ng stage.
Parang nga siyang naka-close, di ba?
Oo.
Yung kanina, as in
Akala ko
sobrang,
nandito.
oo. Sobrang konti naman tao.
Ang dami pa lang nating mga ka-Globe family. Yes.
Yeah, but now, let's continue with our next song. For sure, most of you guys, alam na to, and alam naming Burmans na, pero we will bring you the heat! Ready na ba kayo? Okay, ready? Let's go!
Let's G!
Let's go! Everyone, we all want you to clap your hands. Let's go! Clap! Hey! Clap! 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 Louder! Hey! 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 Now, come on. Let's sing with us, okay?
Bawat araw mas sumasaya. Nawawala ng pangangamba. Feels like summer when I'm with you. Can't wait to go back with you.
Let's go!
Tropical, tropical, oh. Tropical, tropical, oh.
One more
Pantropiko, pantropiko, oh. Pantropiko, pantropiko, oh. Go!
Ikaw ay nasa laya sa pinakapanahon. Lumapit ng lulaan para bang di nakataon. Nabay tadhana, tangi kong hiling sa mga dala. Pinapintig ng puso'y nakalaan para sa'yo. Princess said to walking with you on this island, guided by the grip of your hand. I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinadama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. The music mas masaya. Magmula nang nakita ka, nawawala ng pangangamba. Pag ika'y kapiling na, feels like summer when I'm with you. Parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you. Sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Sumapit na ang araw, ang ikiniling makausap. Hinahanap ka sa tabi, di na mawala sa isip. Nakita kang kapalapit, puso ko'y biglang napakali. Ano nga bang sinapit, kakapit pa hanggang muli. Following footprints in the sand, to walking with you on this island. Guided by the grip of your hand, I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shucks, ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinanama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Boda mas masaya. Magmula nang nakita ka, nawawala ng pangangamba. Pag ika'y kapiling na, feels like summer when I'm with you. Parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you. Sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. On this tropical island, sitting on a white sand. Guess I fell in love with you. 'Cause with you, boy, I'm going crazy. You could be my baby, I could be a lady. Oh, oh, oh. Pinamawat na ng kilig, nag-ready yan. Kasi para bang di mo mapag-ibig. Kumatabog o huminto, gumugulo ang puso ko sa'yo. Following your footprints in the sand, to walking with you on this island. Guided by the grip of your hand, I can feel you holding my world. Ano ba itong nadarama? Oh shit! Ito ba'y pag-ibig na? Totoo ba ang pinanama? 'Cause boy, it feels so good. Let's go! Boda mas masaya. Magmula nang nakita ka, nawawala ng pangangamba. Pag ika'y kapiling na, feels like summer when I'm with you. Parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you. Sa islang pantropiko. Pantropiko, pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Pantropiko, pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko.
Grabe.
Alright! Grabe naman yung energy inside here! Parang yung iba hindi pumunta dito ng ano. May mga pumunta dito morning pa? Wow! Grabe yung energy nyo. And guys, akalain nyo almost in 2 months, mag-1 year na yung Pantropiko. And it feels like yesterday lang na kaka-release lang ng kantang to. And ang amazing lang kasi mag-1 year na, pero yung energy, yung nabigay niyo sa amin na energy until now, grabe pa rin. So, grabe, hindi kayo nauubusan ng energy, guys. And thank you so much for that.
Wow, wait lang. May nakita ako. Jo, it's me, Joanna!
mapapag-sample today. Malayo ka sa akin. Pero, ayan, upo daw yan. Sorry, pero nice meeting you. Kamusta ba yung mga nasa likod? Wow! Nakikita nyo naman, ayan, may LED tayo. Meron ba dito manonood ng Grand Beaniverse? Wow, ang daming nakasecure ng tickets. Grabe na, 3 days tayo magsasama ulit. Excited na ba kayo? Naku, madaming pasabog. Madami talaga. We are currently working sa magiging, alam mo yon, Grand Beaniverse natin. Pero, mag-focus muna tayo dito dahil our next song, kakalabas lang namin ng dance practice nito. Napanood yun na ba? Yes. Alam nyo ba, fun fact lang, na sobrang laking opportunity nun sa amin dahil yung dance practice nito, we shot sa Steezy Studio sa LA. And yun, before kasi nakikidance class lang kami sa account ni Coach Matthew.
Shout out.
Shout out to you, Coach Matthew. Yes, pinagda-dance class niya kami doon kasi grabe, parang everyone's dream ang makatungtong sa Steezy Studio. And di ba, nakapag-shoot tayo ng dance practice natin. Ano kaya tong next song namin? May idea ba kayo?
The Coconut na.
The Coconut Nut! Guys, hindi na agad si Mika. Uy, magpe-perform tayo. The Coconut Nut? So are you guys ready?
I think they're ready.
Yes, so the energy is giving.
Yeah.
Come on, you can sing along with us and dance with us, pero walang tatayo, everyone.
Kalma.
Let's go!
My presence is a burden. Talking French will keep you guessing. Know you got a little candy crush. Be careful 'cause you never get enough. Every day celebrate you with me. Every day it's your birthday on repeat, yeah. If you want it sweet, sugar on love. If you want it spice, I can turn the heat up. Baby, I'm the cake, better know what you got. The cherry on top, cherry on top. Honey, you're a freak, got you buzzing round me. Sticky, sticky, sweet, nasty as it can be. Baby, I'm the cake, better know what you got. The cherry on top, cherry on top. Cherry, cherry, I'm so very rainbow cotton candy. Glitz a glamour, trip and draw my own, just so fancy. You can deny, no, you can deny. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top.
I'm a side for sorry eyes. One look and you're paralyzed. Dancing in the disco lights. I've been doing this all my life. Cinnamon swirl, I twirl. Not your average girl. Got you clutching the pearls. 'Cause you know who run the world.
Every day, celebrate you with me.
Every day, it's your birthday on repeat, yeah.
If
Okay. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Dapat lang. Okay. So, aware naman tayo na kanina is nagpo-workshop yung coaches namin. And, may tatlong outstanding workshoppers na makakasama namin dito sa stage para sayawan ang cherry on top. There are three outstanding dancers. So,
Wow.
where are they?
Sino yan?
The top 3, ayan!
Sino?
Hi po!
Ay!
Hello, hello! Po. Urbini po, hello.
Hello!
Ready na po ba kayo makisayaw? Sa ulo nyo po ba? Hala!
Alam, parang pinag-isipan pa nila.
So ready na po ba kayo?
I think they're ready. Ready na po ba kayo?
Yes.
Paano ang ready? Paano yung energy ng ready? Wow! Wow!
How about you?
Ay, wait lang. Ikaw muna.
Sobrang ready!
Sobrang
ready!
Go, go, go! Okay. I think, yes, they're ready. Let's go!
Every day, it's your birthday on repeat, birthday on repeat. If you want it sweet, sugar on lock. If you want it spice, can turn the heat up. Baby, I'm the king, better know what you got. The cherry on top, the cherry on top. Honey, I got you buzzing around me. Sticky, sticky, sweet, frosty as I can be. Baby, I'm the king, better know what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Good ingredients are hard to find. C-H-E-R-R-Y. There's no going back, no, once you try.
Wow!
Grabe, gets ko na kung bakit sila din ang napili. Give na give ang facials, ang on point lahat. Bongga.
Feeling ko nga di ako mananalo if ako yun nandun eh.
Wait
Okay,
lang.
I think nila yun.
Sige, ganito. Dahil spot na nila yung kanina, ulitin natin for the second time, pero sasayaw din tayo. Okay?
Na-starstruck kasi kami.
Oo, napanganga na lang kasi kami. Ang galing nyo.
Back-up dancer.
Okay, let's go, let's go.
Go.
Every day, it's your birthday on repeat, birthday on repeat. If you want it sweet, sugar on lock. If you want it spice, can turn the heat up. Baby, I'm the king, better know what you got. The cherry on top, cherry on top. Honey, on repeat, got you buzzing around me. Sticky, sticky, sweet, frosty as I can be. Baby, I'm the king, better know what you got. I'm the cherry on top, cherry on top. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Good ingredients are hard to find. C-H-E-R-R-Y. There's no going back, no, once you try.
Wow! Palakpakan naman natin sila, everyone!
Thank you, Blue!
Salamat po.
Thank you po.
Thank you sa
Nice
energy
meeting
nyo.
Thank you! Ito na.
Grabe yung energy nila. Parang kailangan natin silang Grabe yung energy nila. Parang kailangan natin silang tapatan sa next song. Okay. Okay. For our next song, this is our last song, by the way. For our next song, so ito, feeling ko dito talaga sila kakanta. Kasi ang daming adlibs ng song na to eh. Dito yung party Sheena na favorite ng lahat. About sa crush pa. So, yung may mga crush kayong dinadala dito, kantahin nyo to for them. Okay, ready na ba tayo, girls? Ba't Next song na. Let's go! Walang gumagalaw. Pag alam nyo tong kantang to,
Yes, sing
you
along
can
with
sing
us,
along with us.
Blooms!
Ang looking misteryoso, di pa rin mabasa ang iyong tunay na motibo. Ibang pinapakita, taliwas sa iyong salita, pero pretty princess, hey.
Ayokong umasa sa paniniwala. May pag-asa nga ba na baka ang puso ko'y mapapigyan? Nahiwagan sa lamin, nandun mo ang aminin. Tunay na pag-ibig, ano ba ang sasabihin? Manda-manda. Salamin, salamin, salamin. Ano ba gawin? Salamin, salamin sa dingding na sarang pag-ibig. Salamin, salamin, ilan na ba mabawal mo?
Thank you so much, Globe, once again for having us tonight. Thank you to everyone who came. Thank you, our Blooms, for coming.
Yes, we're so grateful to be part of this experience with you. And Globe, thank you so much, Globe.
Yes, and sa mga nakasecure ng tickets, magkita-kita tayo sa concert. And meron pa tayong isang concert na magsasamahan sa ASEA Music Fest.
Yes.
So kung sino man po nakabili ng tickets doon, makikita ulit namin kayo doon. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Salamat, Blooms. Alam namin yung iba sa inyo. Kanina umaga pa dito, yung iba wala pang kain. Maraming salamat po. And thank you for spending your day with us. Kahit na dapat nasa family nyo kayo, maraming salamat po. Again, we are Beanie 2-3!
Thank you po.
Thank you, Globe.
Salamat, Blooms! Walang magtutulakan po mamaya.
Ingat po kayo, please.
Ingat po, Pawe. Thank you, Bloom.
Thank you, Globe! Salamat, Globe!
I love you all. Mwah.
We love you.
Ingat po. Amping, take care.
We love you.
Guys, ingat.
Upo, 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 upo.
Isa pa raw, guys.
Upo.
Isa pa raw.
Isa pa?
Isa pang goodbye.
Gusto niyo ba kahit isang chorus lang ng ano? Huwag muna tayo mo.
Go.
Lagi gusto niyo. Sige. Okay lang po,
Wala kaming
acapella,
music.
acapella.
Wala kaming music.
Okay. Ready? Okay, quiet. Kakantayin natin na acapella dahil, yes. This is for you! Okay. 5, 6, 7, go!
Lagi nang umaawit mula kusina hanggang sa sala. Lagi nang napapasabi, mahal kita mula umaga. Mukhang malala na hanggang gabi pauwi. At bago matulog ng mahimbing, naiisip kita lagi-lagi.
Thank you! Salamat, Blooms. I hope we made you happy. Again, we are
Beanie
2-3!
Thank you po!
Bye-bye!
Ang halaw din misteryoso, di pa rin mabasa